Hi, I'm Bobby Likas, owner of Bobby Likas Car Connect Service Pre-Repair, here with Rusty Staley, my associate that I work with every day of the week. And our job, as you know, Rusty, is to help our customers keep their cars on the road. What's the story on this Nissan?
Well, we have a 2002 Nissan here. Customer came in for multiple issues, as we are faced every day with. First issue of having a starter issue, which we have condemned the starter itself being bad.
Okay.
Second issue is coolant overheating.
Uh-oh.
She's been driving around for some time with it overheating. So we have performed some initial inspection testing of coolant pressure test, and we have condemned that we have an internal engine issue. As we all know, will far exceed the value of the vehicle.
So now wait a minute, what year is this car?
It's 2002.
And how many miles on it?
About 150,000.
That's an unknown step. I mean, if we open up the engine, then we stop the car from being drivable. But as it is, other than the starter fact, it's drivable if we could stop the head gaskets or whatever's cracked, or it's aluminum. And that's one of the biggest, tenderest part about engines of all cars today, whether it's a Nissan or a Mercedes-Benz, aluminum parts. So what would be, I know a starter is the first step. What do you say for a second?
I think at the second step, Bobby, here, we get a bottle K seal. We'll get the starter put on, get our bottle K seal. Let's run it through in our 15-minute drive.
Okay.
Bring it back, and I think we do a second inspection on it, reevaluation of the vehicle, and hopefully we'll make that good phone call to the customer and her parents.
Would that not be terrific? I mean, how
many? That would be fantastic.
It's worked in the past history, and KCL, we've helped a lot of people save a lot of money by keeping a lot of good cars on the road that are worth more to the owner than what they could sell the car or trade the car off, or otherwise be faced with a giant next step of buying a bigger bullet, and getting another car.
Buying a new vehicle in some instances.
Yeah, right. Okay, so starter, K-seal, 15-minute drive, come back to me with the news. We call the owner and say, guess what? We're going to have good news for you.
That is going to be the plan here.
Okay, sounds like a great plan to me, Rusty.
We'll hit a home run here.
All right, I'm Bobby Likas, Bobby Likas Car Clinic.